update on the Jack Frost apology. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of everyone at Little Zimbabwe Farm, we'd like to give you a heartfelt thank you for all the letters and the phone calls, everything that's been pouring in as we are concerned about what Tafadzwa is facing in the North Pole in his attempt to apologize to Jack Frost. But we have an exciting update as we hear from George Maringapasi all the way from Nova Scotia. And they have had a monster of a winter there. And we were wondering, George, what's your take on this?
I have to shake my head, and I've just gotten word that my big brother out there in Vancouver has been at it daring Jack Frost. Really? Really? But against Jack Frost? We're talking about Jack Frost, man. We're talking about Jack Frost? I'm out here in Nova Scotia, and this winter is not looking like normal. And I know your grandfather was the great rainmaker. The rainmakers, our ancestors in these parts of the world, if you remember, they used to walk around with their six-packs. Oh, they ain't wearing no parkas and stuff like that. So they're not even trying to deal with Jack. The fall, right until June, my mouth is shut. And I see that my own brother, my blood, has been doing this kind of shenanigans and daring Jack Frost. Come on, man. We're talking about Jack Frost, man. You're daring Jack Frost. We're talking about Jack Frost, man.
This is Amy Matamba live from Little Zimbabwe Farm. More to come soon.